everybody, this is Kimmy.
Hello.
It's been a long time from last live shows because our company recently take part in the PK competition of
Yes.
Alibaba, and our sales team is upset in taking order from all sorts of ways. But this week our live show has come back because we miss you guys so much. And maybe you should be aware of my new partner beside of me, and this is Harry.
Yes, hello guys. My name is Harry, and it is my first time to have this live show.
Okay, Harry, how do you feel?
Yes, and I am very excited to have this live show. It's very special way to in this special period, and I think the live show is very important way in this period to contact with the customer to show our product information, and I'm very glad to show the information with the audience in front of the screen today, right?
Yes.
And also and especially in this COVID-19, the situation is very serious. Yes, it is report that in some country they are locked down again.
Oh,
you know
yeah,
that?
yeah, really. And Harry, could you please share some suggestion for how to protect yourself in such a serious situation for the COVID-19?
Yes, it's very important to take care of yourself in such a special period. I suggest that you guys need to take care of yourself, such as you need to wear a mask when you go outside, and you need to keep social distance.
Yeah.
And only in this way is the best way to keep away from the virus. It's very important to keep it in your mind. Yes.
Yes, of course. So let's get back to our topic today. And what would we would like to introduce today?
Yes, today we are going to introduce some item. It has a good market in some African market and in some Asian market. And this product, it has a very great price.
Yeah.
The price is very competitive in some country. Yes.
Yes, of course. So today we are going to introduce two series of economical lights, which is very suitable for the Asian market, right?
Yes.
And this is the series we want to introduce first. Harry,
Yes.
could you please show the light in front of
Yes,
the camera?
we can show you this downlight, and here you can see the quality is very well. Yes.
Yeah, Harry, what is the material for this downlight?
And this downlight is made of the plastic. It's a very special material. Yes, Kimmy. And do you know why this special point it is for this material?
I have no idea, but as I know, when our client hear that if our lamp is made of plastic,
Yes.
they will tend to worry about is it fireproof?
Yes. So the special point is about this material is fireproof. Yes.
Yeah.
As it can pass the V0 test.
V0
Do you know
test.
what is the V0 test?
No, could you please
Yes,
explain?
V0 test is an important test to test the material whether it has the fireproof capacity.
Yes.
We can note the V0 test is about when you use the light fire source to burn the material, and when for 10 seconds to make it burn. And when you remove the light source, and the fire will be put off immediately. Yeah, it's very important point. For if some material cannot pass this test, maybe they will still have a fire on this material.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, so-
And besides these fireproof functions, how about other function we need to ensure the performance before the product launched in the market?
Yes, we think highly of the safety. Yes, the fireproof material is one point,
Yeah.
and another point is the safety. We make sure the light will not fall down from the ceiling, right? So
Yeah, correct.
there is the part is very important. Is the metal plate is here. Yes, this metal plate is very strong. Kimmy, you can feel it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So and for this metal plate, before we develop this pattern, and in our R&D department,
Yeah.
we will do a test. We will do a loading test to test it. We will use the 4 times of this lamp, the 4 times weight of this lamp to test if whether it is strong
Yeah.
to hold this lamp on the ceiling. Yeah. We should test whether it can fall down from the ceiling.
Yeah, we need to ensure that the lamp, when it is installed in the ceiling, it will not fall down, right?
Yes, it's the red. We will make sure the safety.
Yeah, and actually for the safety and during the R&D process, we will do a lot of tests such as dust-proof tests and waterproof tests, aging tests, high temperature resistant tests, and so on to ensure the good performance of the light before it is hit the market.
Yes, we have a strong team to make sure this product can meet the standard of the safety, and from the product some strong point to meet the client demand. Yes.
Okay, till now, I think our audience may be curious about the wattage for this series.
Yes, you can see there is a different size here, and this from the small to the bigger one. And this is the 3 wattage, and this is 5 wattage, and this is 7, and this is 10, and this is 12, and this is the largest one is the 15 wattage.
I
Yes.
think maybe they will want to know the dimension for each of them.
Yes, Kimmy, we can measure it for the client to see the dimension.
Yeah.
Yes, so
I think we just need to measure the smallest one, 3 watts, and the biggest one, 15 watts.
yes, it's one a small
Yes.
power and the high power.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see for this, for this 3 wattage,
What is the diameter?
diameter is 10 is
100 millimeter.
Yes.
Yeah. How about the height?
The height is, you can see here, is 36 millimeter.
Okay, 36 millimeter.
Yeah, it's very short, Kimmy.
Yeah.
The height.
And how about this biggest one?
We can also measure it to know the dimension for the
Yeah,
client.
thank you, Harry. The diameter is around,
Its diameter is around 800.
no,
No,
100
it's 180
80
millimeter.
millimeter.
Yes.
How
It's-
about the height?
For the height is actually the height is the same height is also the 36 millimeter.
Same height? Why
Yes.
are they in the same height?
Yes. This for this series we use the same height. We when we develop it, we consider from our project experience, we know that in some project maybe the ceiling there is some limitation on the space. It's not have enough space to install this light. So we make this light shorter to shoot a different area to install this downlight to make sure the project can use it.
Yeah, we will try our best to make this product will be widely used for
Yes.
all kinds of projects, right?
Yes, keep it.
Okay, and from the beginning, I heard that this type of light is quite economical, right?
Yes.
That means the cost is must be very low. Or low.
No. We also think highly of the quality.
Okay.
Even though it has a great price, the price is very competitive, but we also think highly of this quality.
Yeah.
Yes, for example, for the driver,
Yes.
we can pass the CE test standard.
CE standard.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for the LED chip, the LED chip can pass the LM80 test.
Okay.
Yes, the LED chip has a great lighting performance. The light source is very even and soft.
Okay, so I noticed that there is a matte white diffuser here. What is
Yes.
the material for this matte white
Yes,
diffuser?
this diffuser is made of the PC.
Mhm.
Yes, this is also a special material, and this PC has a great performance on the light transmit, and 85% of the light can transmit through this PC diffuser.
Okay.
So the light, the power, the efficiency, we can use 85%. We can make fully use of this light source. Yes.
Okay, Harry, as you said, the lighting effect is very soft and even. Why not turn on the light and
Yes,
show
it's great idea. We can
our
show the
audience?
effect to the audience. Yes.
Okay,
Let me connect to the power.
thank you, Harry. You're so gentleman.
Thank you. And here you can see there's the spot. There's the downlight for the light effect.
Yeah, the
It's
lighting
very
effect,
even.
it's very uniform
Yes.
and soft, right? What is the beam angle for this series?
This the big angle of this is 100 degree. Timmy.
Okay,
Yes.
100 degree.
Yeah, Timmy, can you have a guess
Yeah.
what's the application will be used this downlight?
As you said, the beam angle is 100 degree, right?
Yes, yes.
Generally, this kind of the light with wide angle, sometimes it will be used for some basic lighting, right?
Yes.
Such
yes,
as
right.
canteen, restaurant, and common area in office building, right?
Yes, yes. Yes, you are right. You are totally right. And this light is with the 100 degrees, and some client will meet the demand. For some client, they want to illuminate a large area.
Yeah.
They want to get the great brightness. They want
Yes.
to light up a large area, such as the office,
Yeah.
maybe some hospital.
Yeah.
It need to have a great performance on the brightness. So
Okay.
this is very good product used in this area.
Yes. So maybe this is all for this series, right?
Yes, yes.
So now the question time.
Yes,
Okay.
we can check is there any question from our audience?
Yeah, actually, when our audience have any comments, they can leave message in the comment areas, and our salesman and our sales team will follow up the question as soon as possible. Now, let's see, is there have any question for this series? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the first question is come from the Mr. Albert. Yeah.
Okay.
And,
Hello, Albert.
Hello, Albert. He wants to know the IP rate for this series.
And for this period, this series, the IP rate is IP20. Yes, for Albert.
Yeah, thank you, Albert, for reminding me such an important point.
Yes.
Actually, the IP class is very important for a lamp, right?
Yes.
And Albert, if you have any question, you can leave message with your mail address also, and our sales team will follow up.
Yes.
Okay, and the second question come from Miss Teresa. Yeah,
Hi, Teresa.
Teresa, she's want to know the dimension for the 7-watt.
7 wattage, and
Yeah.
this one is the 7 wattage.
Okay,
Okay, so
let's
you can
measure for you,
measure it for
Teresa.
Teresa. Yes. The 7 wattage diameter is 120.
Okay,
Yes.
120.
And also the height also is the 36.
Okay.
It's the same height as Teresa.
Okay, Teresa, actually we have our catalog page for this series, and you can also leave your mail address. Then our sales team will send you the full introduction for this series with wattage and the dimension for you.
Yes, just leave your comment and your requirement here. We will follow up with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
and the third question from Mr. Andy. And
Hello, Andy.
Andy, he wants to know the price for this series.
The price, yes, this price is very competitive, and the price is based on your quantity you want. We
Yeah.
can give you a very special price as well. And if you need, you can need the quantity, need the price, you can need the MOQ, you can leave your requirement on the comment area. Our colleague will follow up with you. Yes.
Okay, that's all
Any.
for this series, right?
Yes, it's all about it, and you can follow up our social media
Yeah.
to know about the live show. We maybe in the future live show we will show some chat live, right, Kimmy?
Yes.
Yeah.
And every week our colleague will be on the air for the live shows.
Yes.
And welcome to see our live shows every week. But how do we know when is the live show?
Yes, one thing we need the client need to know. You can follow up our linking. We have linking Facebook and Instagram and Skype and YouTube. You can follow our social account. We will announce the live show time, the time of live show.
Yeah, in
We will
advance.
announce it, yes, in
Yeah.
advance. And maybe it's the topic you will know in advance to enter our showroom to
Yeah.
know more about our product.
Yeah, and
For
also
selection, yes.
also you can leave your contact weight, and our colleague can add your maybe like linking or other WeChat, something like that, and
Yes.
we will send a link for our live show
Yes,
for you in
we
advance.
have the staff to follow your requirement.
Yeah.
Yes. So today it's all about our live show. Maybe
Yeah.
next time, maybe in the future, so we are very happy to show you today all of these products, right, Kimmy?
Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
Maybe we can see you next time, Kimmy.
Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you. See you next.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.